Non-minimalism. What is non-minimalism? Why bother about it? And most of all, how does it affect you, or does it even affect you? Stick around to find out. Hi there, Simple Vegan being here to share my life's journey and 2 cents worth. In my video diaries. Sometimes we focus so much on one side of the coin that we completely forget that another side exists. To be able to appreciate the side of the coin that faces us, we must be willing to acknowledge, explore, and appreciate the other side as well, without fear, insecurity, and being grounded. Hence, this video is on non-minimalism, which is the flip side of that proverbial coin. What we know so far is that minimalism can be viewed as aesthetic decor, a genuine practice of non-consumerism, or self-deprivation. But none of these matters, for what truly matters is how you view it for yourself and how you choose to practice or not practice it for yourself. This brings us to non-minimalism. I presume non-minimalism is the opposite of minimalism, by virtue of which it genuinely means living a life of plenty, non-starvation, non-deprivation, excess at its best, and of course embracing consumerism in all of her glory, for if not to live, then what? For me personally, both minimalism and non-minimalism have their merits and downsides, so to speak. It really boils down to what are my personal values in life, and when I look back in the mirror one day, would I be proud of myself? For me, non-minimalism means items stealing my time, money, and precious life. For me, non-minimalism is equivalent to focusing on objects, excess in anything that takes away my internal peace of mind, body, and soul. I have always truly believed that I have all that I need and more than I could ever want. Hence, I am able to resist and walk away from every item that screams at me in the beautiful stores with a fulfilled heart of no regrets or FOMO, fear of missing out. Because for me, life is more than things. Life is full of precious people experiencing this beautiful and amazing planet we live on, and of course, kindness towards all living beings. No regrets. Drop a comment if something in today's video hit a note in you. I would love to hear your life's journey and 2 cents worth. Please continue to watch as I do share my day-to-day with you. Till the next video, plant strong, animal love, planet peace.